going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Midnight Thoughts by SadBoyProlific. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double backflip kick your chin off of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's just got 3 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be this version of an E minor. It's going to be 2nd fret on the A string with your index finger, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. Then you're going to go to a regular D major, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 2, index finger on the 2nd fret of the G, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E. And then finally C add 9. It's the same as your E minor, but you're putting your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A and your index finger on the 2nd fret of the D. Your ring and your pinky finger are still on the 3rd fret of the B and the E. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. Now in the song, they're just single strumming these, and it's starting on the E minor, and it's for 2 counts, 2 counts, and 4 counts. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can do the single strums or you can strum through it fully, totally up to you. I'll show you how to do that as well. Your strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So your first 2 chords is the same, and then it switches up a little bit on your 3rd chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.